Oh, I've never seen such a thing. Do you see this? This is called a grapevine. It's a clothesline. And look at this. This clothesline has been filled with a grapevine that's been in my family for 34 years. And it goes all the way across. This is just incredible. I could show you. I don't know what it means, but if you can see this grapevine survives because we cut it down. Cut it down from the garage. I want to remember this. God bless. Now I want to show you something else. Look at this. That's the grapevine. Looks like a horn of some sort. But I can't get over the grapes. I can't get over this. This is a clothesline. And the grapes connected. Just amazing.